518 is the level to be doing puts at. Thank me later. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. Today was a banger of a day. I ended up making 15,000 USD on the day today from sniping resistances and buying calls at support. I'm going to be going over the trades we ended up taking today, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices like we usually do. Before we get into today's video, guys, 40% off deal still happening right now. Use code HAPPYDAD, HAPPYDAD at checkout. Save yourself 40%. If you do not like the Discord, if you do not like what you're paying for, I will give you 100% of your money back. That's how much I back this program. Let's get into it. So first things first, guys. If you're watching my screen, these are the trades I ended up taking today. First things first, guys, we ended up gapping up. We came up to our key level 517.77. I alerted the puts and we sold the move. The next key level that we had from last night's video, 517.12 and 516.89. You see how we broke through this level without retesting it? No touch points, right? As soon as we came back down to it, I bought 100 contracts. All right, a 516 calls. We came back down, ended up doubling down, 200 contracts, 516.12, sold the move. What did I end up doing next? Our last key level, guys, the biggest one, the gap fill at 518. We broke through 518. I ended up buying 100 contracts, sold the move. Right? Why did I sell at 518 as soon as we broke under 518? Because 518 was a resistance level that there's a possibility of this becoming a support. I shorted, I bought back in. We came right back up, guys. Look at this candle. A 5-minute shooting star candle at our key level. I hit this with size. Another 200 contracts on the 5-minute time frame. I ended up bringing 518 puts right back in the money. Made bank on that. We came right back up again, guys. You see how we ripped? We ended up having resistance up at the top, at the double top, near the double top. I bought in again. We came right back down. I did not sell. Came back up. I added another 100 contracts. It hit this trade with 200 contracts again. The next trade I ended up getting into, guys, very easy. So 517.77. Watch my chart. In the morning, this is the 5-minute time frame. Resistance, 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 resistance. Broke through this level, came back down, tested a support, support, we ran. Came right back down, support, support, we ran. We ended up breaking through this level. You see how we have no touch point here? We have no wicks of a rejection or of a support like this. We broke through this level. We came right back up, guys. 517.77 puts. I ended up getting 517 puts, brought these things almost back in the money. This was a crazy play. A lot of people were wondering what happened today. Easy. SPY had 2 gap close reversals, right? Just because we spent a long time over the gap, it's still a gap close reversal. That's why we sold off. Where did we sell off to? Yesterday's previous close, which was the best spot to be buying calls at, which I mentioned this morning. Did I take this trade? No. We had the gap fill here and the 200 EMA. This was easy money calls. I did not take this. I wasn't on my computer. I ended up shorting at 517.77. Beautiful day today. I made a crap ton of money. I'm very blessed, guys. Very happy with the trading I did today. Big shout out to Gundy. Every time I was selling my puts, he was buying calls. Why? I was selling at support. He was buying at support. I was selling at support. He was buying at support. This is what we did all day. We absolutely crushed it on SPY today. Dimitri took a little bit of a L, got his L back because he didn't give up. He was buying the best levels possible. And guys, it's not that complicated. We get in, we only play the best levels possible, and we make a bag. Look at our key levels, how they printed today. Short, calls, short, 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 short. I made my money, almost all my money today, off of puts in a bullish trend. Why? Because trends can change. How do we know trends are changing? When we're at a massive resistance level. It's make or break at 518. If we held 518 support, we are ripping to 520. We were not able to break through that level. We had our last level at 518.43, guys. You see how we couldn't hold this? Another shooting star candle on the 5-minute. and it ended up dipping all the way back down the previous close. If you're looking at the chart, you zoom out, there wasn't too much price action today. The fact that I made $15,000 today, because why? I was not greedy. I'm buying where I'm supposed to be buying, and I'm selling the move. Buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. I'm not sitting here buying in and hoping for a massive market crash. 518 was the level to be shorting, and we could not hold this level support. We kept breaking down. We kept double topping. This was the only play I would have never have hit. 518.43 until I saw this candle close as a shooting star candle, and then it was just free money, guys. So that was the day today. That was my day today. A majority of the Discord is green, guys, from just scalping the runs. I was alerting every trade live on the Discord, live on voice, and in the chat. I have a sniper bot. If you're not able to listen in the live stream, guys, he's typing the trades down, and we hit all of these trades, man. Everywhere I was selling my puts, Gundy was buying calls. He absolutely banked today too. Crazy, phenomenal day. What are we looking at next? So first things first, 518. We did not come up and reject 518 yet. Keep this level on your chart. This gap isn't filled, so we're gonna make this chart blue, or this line blue, and we're going to take these dotted lines off, make it a solid line, okay? So 518 is still a massive level. Do not sleep on the 518 level. Let's look to the lower side. Our original short target, short zone, which used to be a buy zone. Now we made it a short zone. We are holding support, but we're floating at 517.12. At 517.12, if we reject 517.12, we're going back to Monday's previous close, 516.57. If we end up rejecting this on the 5-minute time frame, when I mean reject, a 5-minute candle close beneath this level, it's going to be a free fall 1 point, right? We're going all the way to 515.97. And honestly, screw 515.97. We will probably go all the way to 515.64. We reject 515.64. We're going to 515. The Fed speaker today said rate hikes are not out of the question. Keep this info in mind. We don't want to get extremely bearish. We don't want to get extremely bullish. We want to do what the chart's telling us. And the chart right now is telling us that we have major weakness at 518. Major weakness at 518. We were not able to hold this level all day today. So this is I'm going to make this line even bigger if I'm able to. Nope, it's as big as it goes. 518, crazy bearish level. If we hold 518 support, SPY is going to run to 519.21 and then to 520. But the bearish side, guys, once we reject 516.62, it's going to be a lot of downside. I'm going to show you the daily or the 30-minute time frame right now, guys. You see how every rip, we had a dip, right? Every rip, dip, rip, dip, rip, dip. You see all these big dips? Look at the last couple days. We've literally been on a straight line up. You know what that means? A dip is coming. Where's a dip coming to? 508 to 507. Easy money puts, guys. 518 rejection, 517.12 rejection. We're going to make some money, some bank swing trading. I'm telling you right now. All you got to do is look at the previous SPY's chart history. We rip, we dip. We rip, we dip, right? Everywhere. Every time we rip, we dip. Now, look at the last couple days. It's been a straight line. SPY is due for a pullback. SPY is overbought, extremely overbought, especially with market conditions. But remember, screw the news, screw your buys. Just play the chart, guys. Yes, SPY, the overall market is bearish. You know what that means? We're probably making a new high. Stop thinking like retail. Think like market makers. Everyone's going to be loading on puts. SPY's going to make the new high, and then we're going to get the biggest move that we've been expecting. I promise you that. I'm not a financial advisor. I actually don't promise that at all, but that's what I'm playing for. So that is the game plan for moving into tomorrow, guys. These were the trades we ended up taking today. I'm very satisfied and very happy with my trading today. Some people did go red, guys, and the fact that I'm able to make 15,000 USD, over 20,000 Canadian in a day. I'm extremely blessed, and now you know why. I'm shorting resistance, and I'm buying calls at support. Shorting resistance, shorting. This trade right here was absolutely massive. Look at the wicks of support. right? We broke through it, came back down. Wicks of support, wicks of support. We broke through this level. So when we break a support and we come back up to it, we're anticipating a sell-off. We're anticipating this to be a resistance moving forward. That is it for me today, guys. 40% off deal happening right now. Use code HAPPYDAD at our sponsors, HAPPYDAD. 40% off for the rest of the week, guys. The Discord's been crushing it lately. YouTube's been crushing it. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will see everyone tomorrow at Market Open in the Discord, guys. Just join up, and I'll see you guys there. Take care.